Hey friends, welcome to the fresh and the new session of Do Not Get It Right with Savan Kumar, and today we are gonna talk about do not get it right by thinking what you can think. Most of the times we try to think what we can think, and what we can think is what others think about, and what others think is what they could not think of. So there's a lot of confusion and commotion over here. So stop thinking a lot. Stop thinking what others would think about you. Stop thinking about what others would say if you think in a particular way. What we always do is we limit ourselves. We limit ourselves and we keep doing that every single day. And why do we do that? Why do we limit ourselves? Because somebody said that we can't win. Somebody said that you are not good. Somebody said that you haven't got what is needed to be successful. Somebody said that you just can't win. You are not good. You are not the best. You have not got what is needed. But who is that somebody? Have you tried and found out who that somebody is? Have you tried and find out why that somebody is telling you what you should be doing and what you should not be doing? Who is that somebody who thinks about what you think, and why you think that that's somebody who thinks about what you can think and what you cannot think? So it is everything is all about what you think and what you do not think. So if everything is about what I think and what I do not think, then why should I not think what others do not think? I want to go beyond what my neighbors think, if I want to go beyond what my society thinks, if I want to go beyond what the country thinks, or if I want to change the world, change the universe, I have to go beyond what everybody else thinks. So to go beyond that, to go beyond what everybody else thinks, and to go first beyond what I think for myself, because what I think for myself is not the true thing that I think for myself. I always keep thinking about myself from the other people's thoughts, what the others have said to me since my childhood to my adulthood. I think of myself as the others have thought about me, what others have known about me. I don't know even if that's a complete thing, if that is even true to its smallest possibility. I don't think it at all is true. So let us stop thinking how others think about us. Let us stop thinking how others want us to think of. Most of the times we end up thinking how others would like things, how others would want to think about us. So let us stop doing that. We should be stopping to do that, because 90% of us, 95% of us are consistently, regularly thinking, what if I do this? What would others think if I do this? What would others think of me if I do this? And so on. And this worrying habit of, or this thinking habit of what others would think of what I think, is something that stops us from thinking what we can think. So, and until and unless you think, you cannot achieve anything. So you understand the logic? So you have to stop thinking about how others think about you. You have to stop and cut all your thought processes that connects with somebody else's thoughts and thought processes. You first have to cut that off, and then be with your thoughts, be with your own thought process, and start rethinking everything, and then think about what all are possible, what the possibilities are. And once you start doing that, once you start believing in that whatever you think, whatever you can think of, be it something outside the world, you can make that true. Whatever you believe, whatever you can believe in, you can make that true. And if you can make it in your mind, if you can get it in your dreams, you can get it in your life. You can get it for real. Yes, if your mind can think of it, you can get that thing. But the problem here is we first need to start thinking, and that thought has to start to go beyond what we not today think of. We have to start thinking beyond what we think of today. We have to start thinking of what our neighbors think of today. We have to start thinking of what our society and our country thinks of today. And only then we can do the impossible. We can achieve the impossible. We can achieve the unachieved. We can be successful to the extent that nobody could have thought of. And if you want to be one of that, if you want to really achieve all the successes that you have wanted for yourself, that your society or your country or your nation has not thought for you, you can make that possible. You can make that impossible possible only if you think that you can think of it. Most of the successful people, if you see, be it Elon Musk, be it Einstein, be it Thomas Edison, be it the Wright brothers, they first thought in their minds. If it was Wright brothers, he first thought in his mind that he can make something fly. When others thought that it was impossible to go against the gravity, he first thought in his mind that he can make something fly. And with that in his mind, he worked on it for years without bothering what others would think about him. Others went on saying that these guys have gone crazy, gone mad, or wasting their time, or so many things would be coming back to you about what others think. But if you have conviction in your thoughts, if you think you can do it, you can do it. So do not think that your thoughts are impossible. Do not think that your thoughts are small until and unless they are your thoughts. They are not your friends or your society's thoughts, but they are individually your thoughts. So if they are your thoughts, you can achieve them. If you think of buying a private jet today, if you think of having the most luxurious cars, if you think of being the most philanthropic person in the world, you can be everything that you can think of. And that is the reality. That is the reality. You can turn the pages of the history and see for how many people have been able to achieve what they had thought of. Steve Jobs, he thought of building a spectacular mobile phone. He thought of changing the world with his technology and his products, and he did change. Elon Musk, he has been working on changing the technologies and changing the world, and he is doing that. He has been proving it. Similarly, Mark Zuckerberg, he thought of changing how social media was, and he did that. So whoever is there, be it today or be it in the past, you will see that it was their thought. All of the things that they are successful about today, that has come or that has seeded from their thoughts. If they had thought, if they were able to visualize that thing in their mind, they were able to conceive it and achieve it. So everything has to start from your mind. Do not stop your mind from thinking big, thinking huge, thinking something outside the world, because if your mind can think of it, you can achieve of it. Have that confidence in you, have that conviction in you. If my mind can think of it, if my mind has the ability to think of it, it also has the ability to make it true. It also has the ability to make it successful. Yes, so start thinking big and start becoming successful today. So from me, Savan Kumar, that is all for today, and I'll be waiting for your feedbacks and your comments and your questions and your queries. And do not forget to like and subscribe me on all of my social media channels. That starts with ITZ SAWANK. You can find me all across with the same name, ITZ. It's Savan SAWANK. So it's Savan K. I'll be waiting for you all. Wish you all the best and have a successful life. Have a good day.